Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert duration to hours in Power Query. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data, the task list and duration. So here I'm going to convert this duration to hours by using the Power Query. To load this data into Power Queries, simply select this data. First convert this data into table. Press the shortcut key Ctrl T and here the small dialog box is open, create table. Click on OK and here your data is converted into table. Then go to the data tab. In get and transform data, click on the get data option and click on the from other sources, click on the from table or range. And here your Power Query editor is open. After that, just click on the duration column and right click of the mouse and click on the change type and here select the duration and that's it. And after that, go to the add column. In general group, click on the custom column and here one dialog box is open, custom column. Add a column that is computed from the other column. New column name, you can rename your new column name. So I just enter yours hours, okay? And add here the custom column formula. I just add here the formula. Okay, duration dot total hours in bracket duration. Okay, make sure the column name must be same as the duration. Okay, and after that click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see the hours column is added. Okay, then go to the home tab, click on the close and load. And that's it. Your data in your Excel will load. You can see the duration is converted to hours. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.